Hello friends, in this video you will understand the Scratch screen's layout or interface and the components of Scratch. All softwares have a version. Let us see which version of Scratch we have installed. Open the Scratch. Click on the Scratch button on the top left hand corner. This window appears. It shows we have installed version 3.12.0.0. If you are unable to download the Scratch, then you can go to scratch.mit.edu website and click on the Create button over there. The same window appears and you can create your project here. Let us understand Scratch now. Have you seen any play? When we say play, what all things come to your mind? List them out. These are the main things: stage, music, character. Are you wondering why we are talking about a play here? Actually, Scratch and play have something in common. The list we have made is common to both. Interesting, isn't it? Let us explore Scratch. This is the layout of the screen. Or we can also say it is a layout of the interface. We can divide this into four main parts: stage area, sprite list or background list, script area, blocks palette. Stage is similar to the play. This is the stage where all actions take place. In the play, we set up the stage background. First, delete this cat by clicking the delete button as shown here. Here also, we have to choose the background from the options available. What are sprites? Sprites are nothing but the characters or the actors. There can be one or more sprites in your program. How to create a sprite now? You choose a sprite option and select search. Here you can see the images and select the one you want for your project. You can drag the sprite on the stage and place the sprite wherever you want. You can give a name to the sprite. You can also change the size. Type a number which will help you to increase the size. If you want to decrease the sprite size, you have to type in a smaller number. You can have more than one sprite. You can also delete the sprite if you don't want it. Script area. This is the place where you write your code. Blocks palette. To create the scripts, you have blocks. You can see here that the blocks are color coded. The blocks are given colors based on what they can do. The blocks here are motion, looks, sound events, and so on and so forth. Click on a section to see all blocks available on that section. Click on Looks block now. The sprite can say something using Say block. Here sprite says hello for 2 seconds. What is the costume block? It changes the costume of the sprite. Now what are costumes? Costumes decide the look of the sprite. You can see what are the costumes available for the sprite by clicking on the costumes button. This particular sprite has 4 different costumes. Now go to Change Color block. It changes the sprite's color. When you join these blocks, you get a set of instructions. This set of instructions is nothing but code, and this is called a small program. And this is nothing but a program. Here we are writing a small program. Next step, running of the program. What is running the program? Running the program means starting the program. How to start the program? Can you see a green flag here? The green flag helps us run the program. The red button here is to stop the program. We have to add one more code. Go to the events block and drag the when green flag clicked block. Click on the green flag. Now the program runs. The sprite says hello for 2 seconds. Now I want to change the costume. I want to change its color. Click the green flag again and observe. Also, when the script is running, it glows. You can view the action in full screen mode by clicking this button. This is the full screen mode button. Click on the green flag and see the action. Try to add more sprites to your project and have some more fun. You can add music too. In our next video, we will show how you can add music to your project. Now let us understand one very interesting thing here. How do the blocks look? Can you guess when you arrange the blocks all together? Don't they look like puzzle pieces? Yeah, they do. These blocks are like puzzle pieces. You can't join the blocks in a wrong way. It is just like a puzzle. There should be no gap when you join the blocks. Now, if I move the blocks, you can see that this is not the correct way because there is a gap here. Now let me move this block on top. This is the perfect way. There is no gap now. Now this is our small program which is ready to run. I have a very interesting question for you. Can you tell me what is the function of the red button? Post your answer in the comment box. In our next video, we'll show you how to animate a sprite and how to add music. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.